Hey there folks, have you heard the exciting news coming out of California? Well, hold on to your hats because I got some fascinating information to share with you. California is taking a bold step towards increasing the housing supply. And get this, they're willing to pay homeowners like you up to $40,000 to build a tiny home in your backyard. I mean, can you believe it? Now, you might be wondering, why is the state doing this? Well, let me fill you in. California has set aside a whopping $50 million in state budget specifically for homeowners who want to build these backyard homes, also known as accessory dwelling units or ADUs. And let me tell you, this cash injection is absolutely vital to the state's ability to tackle the housing shortage issues head on. You see, the Golden State is currently facing a housing shortage of about 2 million homes. Yes, you heard that right, 2 million. It's no secret that finding affordable housing has become increasingly challenging. But here's where ADUs come in as a game changer. Experts agree that these smaller, independent residential dwelling units located on the same lot as a single-family home can really help ease the housing crunch. But wait, there's more. Starting at the end of August 2023, the Orange County Housing Finance Trust is rolling out an incredible program that offers the only subsidized construction to permanent loan specifically for ADUs to Orange County homeowners. Now imagine that. This innovative loan program aims to support homeowners who want to add a backyard rental by offering a deferred, low interest, and partially forgivable loan of up to $100,000 to reduce their construction costs. And here's a condition of the program. Homeowners who participate in this program agree to lease their new ADU to a very low income tenant for 10 years. And it's a win-win situation for everybody involved. So if you're a homeowner in Orange County, this is your chance to be a part of something truly remarkable. If you're interested, make sure to sign up for the interest list to stay in the loop and receive all the updates related to this program, including when the application portal will be live. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity. I have placed a link for the sign up in the link in my bio under the 100K grant program. Feel free to reach out to me if you need any recommendations on architectural services to start the ADU process. And hey, if you're looking for some guidance in buying or selling a home, or if you simply want a copy of my guide, Things to Consider Before Buying or Selling a Home, feel free to send me a message or comment guide below. I am here to help you navigate the real estate world. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, Andres can help. Have a great day.